Good morning, dear students. Myself S.S. Shah, PGT English. Now I'll explain the second part of the poem. First part already I have explained in my previous video. Now see the line. Fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales, and the man gathering salt would look at his hurt hands. Here cold sea means Antarctica. Poet here is saying, all living beings on this earth have every right to survive. The whales are on the verge of extinction, are on the brink of extinction. Those innocent whales are killed by fishermen in Antarctica. Thereafter, poet is saying, and the man gathering salt would look at his hurt hands. Here man stands for beachcombers. Beachcombers also will get time to look their injured hands. They will also get relief from their hectic schedule. It will happen when we'll maintain silence. Now next line. Those who prepare green wars, wars with gas, wars with fire, victory with no survivors, would put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers in the shade doing nothing. Here those stands for politician, statesman and scientist. Now poet here talks about three wars. Green wars, wars with gas, wars with fire. So poet says here, those who are waging war against the environment, those who are emitting out smoke from factories or poisonous gases or polluting our environment, and those who are making nuclear weapons or chemical weapons, for those the poet makes an appeal to stop this killing business. The poet says, what's the use of that war when no one will remain alive for celebrating victory? This is what victory with no survivors. The poet says to all those warmongers that they must divert their minds and should put on spotless clean clothes. When men will put on spotless clean clothes, they would adopt a fresh approach towards life. Now poet says they should go out for a stroll with their brothers under the shady tree, and they should seize or stop horrifying actions or destructive activities. The hidden meaning or thematical meaning is that they should give the message of universal brotherhood to entire humanity or to mankind. They should give the message of communal harmony. Now, students, this is the end of the explanation. Now, thank you. Have a nice day.